Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chase Freedom Flex card, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Chase Freedom Flex card, start by locating the sticker on your card. This sticker typically contains the activation instructions. Next, visit the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. If you're using the website, find the Activate link prominently displayed on the homepage. In the app, look for the option to activate your card in the menu. You will be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully type in the 16-digit number found on the front of your card. After you enter your card number, click on the Continue button. You may also need to verify your identity. Be prepared to input personal information, such as your social security number and address. Once your identity is verified, follow the on-screen instructions. You might also be asked to set a PIN for your card. Make sure to choose a secure PIN that you can remember. After completing all necessary steps, your card should be activated. You will receive a confirmation message either on the screen or via email. Now, you can begin using your Chase Freedom Flex card for purchases. Keep your card in a safe place and enjoy its benefits. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact Chase customer service for assistance. They can guide you through the activation process and resolve any problems you may face. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.